One's name Peter, other's name Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Hello Chance. So, like the teacher is back again. Children, look at me. What is in my hand?
Teacher, bird.
Yes, this is a bird. Children, have you seen birds?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. हमारे यहाँ आजू बाजू में कभी कभी हमारी गैलरी में बहुत सारे अलग अलग बर्ड्स आते हैं. पिजन, स्पैरो, क्रो, हम देखते हैं ना आजू बाजू में. But children, some birds live around us. But there are so many birds. But we can't see them because they live in a jungle. Some birds are in a zoo. Okay? So today I am going to show you different birds. You know children? Tell me what is this?
Chunch.
This is a beak. With the help of this beak, birds can pick their food easily. And all birds have different shapes in beak. They have a different shapes. And birds have a feathers. With the help of these feathers, they can fly high in the sky. एरोप्लेन रहता है ना, उससे भी विंग्स रहते हैं. फिर उस विंग्स के हेल्प से एरोप्लेन भी ऊपर उड़ता है. एंड बर्ड्स हैव डिफरेंट कलर्स. उनके कलर्स भी अलग अलग रहते हैं. एंड देयर आर 2 small eyes. With the help of these eyes, they can see far away. उनके आईज बहुत शार्प रहते हैं और वो बहुत दूर दूर तक उसके आईज के हेल्प से वो देख सकते हैं. एंड डिफरेंट ऑल बर्ड्स हैव डिफरेंट वॉइस. उनका आवाज़ भी अलग अलग रहता है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू different पिक्चर्स ऑफ द बर्ड्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, ऑल ऑफ यू लुक एट द blackboard. I draw the lots of birds on the blackboard. And there are different flashcards of the birds. This one is owl. What is this? Owl. This is a crow. What is this? This is a peacock. This is a peacock. This is a sparrow. So children, what is this? This is a pigeon. What is this? This is a pigeon. And this one is ostrich. This one is ostrich. Now children, I am going to show you another birds. So all of you look here. This is a parrot. What is this? This is a parrot. And what is the color of this parrot? We see the mostly parrot in green color. He likes to eat chili, red chili and guava. And parrot is a trained bird. अगर हम उससे कुछ सिखाते हैं तो वो अच्छे से हमारे जैसे बोलता है. So we kept this parrot as a pet bird. This is a pigeon. What is this? This is a pigeon. We see the pigeon in our gallery. And color of this pigeon is grey. He likes to eat grains. इसे हम कबूतर भी बोलते हैं. अगर हम इसे रोटी के टुकड़े दिए ना तो वो भी वो खाता है. हमारे गैलरी में आके पानी भी पीता है. दिस इज अ स्पैरो. इसे हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? चिड़िया. आपण चिमणी म्हणतो की नाही याला? And what is this children? This is a duck. And young ones of duck is called duckling. And you know children, His sound is quack, quack. His sound is quack, quack. Duck lives in water also and walks on the land also. And this is a peacock. What is this? Peacock. Peacock has a very beautiful feathers. And it is also called national bird. It has a crown on his head. And आपण याला काय म्हणतो? मोर पण म्हणतो की नाही? जेव्हा पाऊस पडतो छान छान तेव्हा मोराला खूप आनंद होतो आणि तो छान छान डान्स करतो. What is this, children? This is an ostrich and it is the largest bird in the world. And you know, children, it is a bird but it can't fly because of its heavy body. And it is also the national bird of Australia. And this is a owl. What is this? This is a owl. The owl has very sharp eyes. Owl has very sharp eyes, but it can't see in the day. It can see only at night. And sound of the owl we call owl can hoots. This is a crow. What is this? This is a crow. And color of this crow is black. And sound of the crow is cow, cow, cow. Children, all of you understand different names of birds? Birds build their nest on the tree. They make their nest on their own. वो अपना घर खुद ही बनाते हैं. Birds needs water, air and food to grow. And birds lays eggs. When the eggs hatch, the baby bird came out from this egg. Now children, I am going to show you some pictures of the birds and you have to tell me the names of that birds. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Children, tell me what is this?
Teacher, sparrow.
Very good. This is a sparrow. What is this? Sparrow. Tell me, James, what is this?
Teacher, कावळा.
Yes. कावळ्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? This is a crow. What is that?
Crow.
Crow. Very good. Now tell me what is this?
Teacher, कबूतर. कबूतर.
आपण कबूतरला काय म्हणतो माहिती का इंग्लिश मध्ये? What is this? Very good. Pigeon. What is this?
Pigeon.
Say loudly with me. What is this?
Pigeon.
Very good. This is a
Parrot.
very good.
Teacher,
This
याला
is
पोपट म्हणतो ना आपण?
yes. याला आपण पोपट पण म्हणतो. This is a parrot. Now tell me what is this?
Teacher, duck.
Duck. Duck lives in a pond. पाण्यात राहतो की नाही duck? This is a duck. Now tell me what is this?
Teacher,
Owl. Say loudly what is this?
Owl.
Owl. What is this? Owl.
Teacher, more. More.
त्याला काय म्हणतो मोराला आपण?
Peacock.
Very good. This is a peacock. And this one? Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Very good. This one is ostrich. So children, all of you read this name of the birds at home regularly. In our syllabus, there are different names of birds. You have to learn it at home every day with your parents. Till then, bye.